The NEC V260X is designed to provide higher brightness for meeting and conference rooms that have heavy ambient light but require a small projector. These lightweight mobile models are 3D ready and include a 7-watt speaker, closed captioning and NEC's virtual remote control software. Their ViDi technology, a Philips innovation designed to work in conjunction with the color wheel, uses a brilliant pulse to increase the brightness of the image and a dark pulse to increase the contrast ratio. Enhanced connectivity, including HDMI, dual computer inputs and RJ45, are clearly color-coded and labeled on the panel. Brilliant color, including a 6-segment color wheel, provides accurate color reproduction. Advanced video processing from Texas Instruments delivers exceptional picture management control for both progressive and interlace sources, while making images more vibrant, colors more realistic and blacks richer with detail. Combined with active shutter glasses, NP01GL, the NEC V260X uses DLP-Link technology, developed by Texas Instruments, to create 3D images. AutoSense intuitively syncs with most computer signals and features one-touch image optimization. The built-in closed captioning enables decoding and display of text information from a video.